NC Governor's Page program was an amazing experience, and not only did I learn about how our government ran, but also the importance of the different roles each individual working for the state had to play in order to contribute towards the well-being of our state. It was a great privilege to meet Governor Roy Cooper and many other individuals because we got to understand the different roles they had to play and their importance for when they had to serve for the government. We also got to tour many legislative buildings, one of them including the Capitol, and learned the history and the
Hi, my name is Sakyata Duraju and I was a governor's page. I thoroughly enjoyed my time in Raleigh as a page. The page program provided me with the opportunities to see firsthand how the three branches of government operate in order to serve the people. I was also able to learn about our shared history as a state and the importance of community service to the people. My favorite parts of the week were meeting Judge Chris Dillons of the Court of Appeals, visiting the various buildings such as the State Capitol and the State Legislative Building, and of course meeting the Governor Roy Cooper. Thank you to Karen Uncle, TTGA, and the PAGE program for providing me.
Hi, my name is Varsh, and I attended the Government PAGE program, and I really liked it because they taught us different things about the government and what they do and things like that, and every day was a different experience. Thank you, Karen Uncle and TTGA, for giving us this wonderful opportunity.